Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to deploy a Laravel project on Vercel. First, start by creating a Laravel app locally using Composer or by cloning an existing one. Then, ensure your project uses PHP 8+, has an env file, and uses SQLite or an external DB. Install Laravel Vite and configure vite.config.js for static asset building. Next, add a Docker file with php colon8-fpm and configure it for Laravel serving via Nginx. Then create a vercel.json by using the code that you can see on your screen. Now set up SQLite or an external DB like PlanetScale and update.env accordingly. Use Vercel CLI run pm i-gvercel, then Vercel login and Vercel in your project root. Then, run Laravel migration in a post-deploy script or manually via remote DB access. Visit your deploy URL. Laravel should be live and working via Docker on Vercel. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.